Okay, good evening, everyone. You're most welcome to our session today, which happens to be orientation for the course, having this orientation. So this orientation is basically, it will focus on the course itself, though there will be need for a background of everything and how the course came about. With a brief bio of myself, that is my image. So a brief bio of me, I'm Ayfed Ferdinand by the name. I'm a computer scientist by profession, majorly focusing into software bit of it. I'm also a master teacher. I'm a professional teacher too. Actually, before going into tech, I studied teaching, which I had to drop to choose tech over it. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an activist. That is to say, I value rights of people and equality. And at the same time, I'm the chief executive officer and the founder of the company, which is today giving us this e-learning online, because the wider market is online. So I would like to briefly take us on the background of Ayfed Technologies. So Ayfed Technologies came into existence from my personal experience, whereby I was having a lot of, barriers to education. We considered creating a solution for learners like myself who faced challenges in accessing quality resources. So our journey started with a vision to transform the e-learning sector, and today we stand here with a commitment to empowering learners through technology. Like I said, if you look at my background, I started into education career, which is not bad. It's part of the things which shaped me to who I am today. So after doing education, it interrupts a bit. You will excuse me for that. So when we look at education, in our perspective, you find that education is so challenging. To get quality education of late is hard. There are very many institutions which are focusing solely on making money other than rendering the service or educating the people. So when I evaluated all the circumstances that I've been going through here and there, seeing the type of the education, I've seen all types of education, good and bad. So I was like, I can use my technical expertise of teaching, because like I told you in my intro, I'm a master teacher, meaning I can train, I'm a trainer for teachers as well. And I also teach students by profession. Then I also chose, since I wanted to focus into technology, I was like, I can integrate my technology together with the knowledge I had before so that I can solve other problems, maybe other problem which other people are facing silently, where I'm not facing. That's why Ayfed Technologies came. So when we're looking at the name Ayfed is my name. My name is Ayfed Ferdinand. AY is Ayfed, and then FED is the Ferdinand. So I just had to make something brief, which can be easy for anyone to remember and even pronounce. And those are one of the skills we focus on when we're teaching digital marketing. So what is our mission and vision? Our mission is just very simple: to democratize education, making it accessible and affordable to everyone. And at Ayfed Technologies, we believe that education is a right, not a privilege. And we are here to break down those barriers which affect the quality of learning so that anyone, anywhere can access top quality learning resources. So our value is to lead the global e-learning industry by inspiring lifelong growth and innovation, creating a more inclusive and prosperous environment. So our goal is looking at education. We are not fighting any education institution. Yes, they are providing education, but we want to render special education to students across the globe. And that's why we don't have, a cutoff points, or we don't have a specification for you to qualify. No, we believe everybody is able to do anything so long as they are committed. And we are focusing at strictly people who are committed, people who have purpose, and people whose mission and vision can align with ours. So the values or the things that make us proud, we take pride in our commitment to delivering expert-led content. Like I told you, my personal professional expertise plus other of the staff with whom we work along. We bring that expertise together So, like I said, with my team, we are committed to deliver content which are expert-led. This is another challenge we have with mainstream school. We have seen professors and teachers who are not good at what they are teaching, but because they are offered employment, they have no way out. But for us at Ayfed Technologies, we believe that somebody who should teach should be somebody who has expertise in the area of the content they are trying to deliver. So that is why for us, we use what we call subject experts, but rather than teachers. So meaning if I am good at software development, I can teach software development. Not that I'm good at software development, I am teaching networking. That does not work. Just because I did IT or I did computer science does not mean I'm good at networking. So meaning somebody who is good in networking should be the one who should teach networking. That's why we look at content experts or course subject specialists to deliver our content, so that we are able to empower learners with the right knowledge so that they can succeed and meet our core values. Of course, our value is around innovation. If you look at our motto, it's technology for innovation. So we look at learners being innovative regardless of their background. I understand some of us might be doing social sciences, some of us might be doing arts, some of us might be doing whatever course we are doing, they're all important. However, we can all as well do the other way around. So we are building a global community whereby we shall reach learners of all walks of life. And our major focus is on the vulnerable and those who find it challenging to access quality education. So I'll briefly look at the course structure. I think this is also there in the actual course content. Our course structure will follow this model 10-20-70 principle, whereby 10% of the content you're going to learn will come from your instructor. And for this case, I'm the one who is going to instruct you throughout this course for the OpenShot. 20% will come from discussion or collaborating with your peers. That is why in most of the videos on the platform, I'm encouraging you to always drop a comment there, leave a comment for people to be able to interact. So through dropping comments, asking questions, and also contributing to other people's comments. If somebody asks a question on the platform, you should be able to react if you have an idea. Or if there's anything confusing you, you should be able to raise a concern there. And also we can have discussion on the platform for those who are on the WhatsApp platform. So what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to interact, ask questions. And if you're asking questions also, there are very many students who have been coming to my inbox. It's totally okay for you to come to my inbox. I understand some people are not good at talking in the public. But it will be better when we share openly on the platform so that other people also learn from your experience. And then 70% of the course content will be on your own, meaning the course is project based. You will do a lot of projects. Every learning you take from this from the learning management system, make sure you practice. Go further, do research. That is how we learn, and that's what we believe in. So the content you're seeing on the website may give you, yes, it is detailed because I took a lot of time in curating it in the most simplest way for all category of learners, because we understand there are some of the people who have enrolled and they have never taken an online course, or they have never gone to higher levels of learning, or they are not so much familiar with technology. So we are trying to make it in a way that's accommodative for everyone. So what are some of the key points we are going to be talking about today? So we are going to look at video editing as a career. So when we look at video editing, I believe by the mere fact that you're having all smartphones to start with, you understand the power of what video is capable of doing. Now, we are in a data-driven world where the internet is like a marketplace or a home. Personally, I can stay in my room. I can stay almost for 1 week if it is not even food, or maybe just because I also want to go out. I can stay indoors and do everything I'm supposed to do or indoors. Why? Because with technology, things are possible. So there's a lot of opportunity in video. We can see people are making money on TikTok for those who are with the US accounts and those other countries which are monetized. People are making money with videos on Facebook. But now, which type of videos are making money? Quality videos. How will you make quality videos? One, using the right tools. Two, learning the skill, because we have seen people employing people to edit their work. So this is why we decided that let's offer this course for free for everyone, so that everyone can attain that knowledge, and they can either use it for their personal use, or they can even use it professionally to make money. And then why did we choose OpenShot? I explained this lengthy throughout the course. You'll get more of the explanation there. OpenShot is an open source software which is free, and we cannot offer a free course with a paid version of software. That is not possible. So we decided that we should go with OpenShot, and we selected it because it is light and it is the best of the free open source softwares. Why did I say the best? Like I said, some of us are very new to technology. Bringing something which is very complex can be challenging for them. So it's also very simple to learn. I believe in a period of 2 weeks to 3 weeks, all of us will be very good at editing. Then what are the expectations of you from us? One of the expectations is delivery of the content. We have done. Content is delivered on the site. And now somebody's coming in, excuse me. People have gone to other weeks, other topics which are ahead. It's not bad to check around, but it's advisable when you go, you go from each topic to another, because that's how the course was built, to revolve from the other. So when you jump around, that's why I've set some new restrictions this evening. Not all courses are, or not all modules are available. Okay, they are there, but you can't access most. What we are doing is to gain the skill. We are not learning to finish the course. That is how most students confuse learning and finishing. You see, in most schools, people go to get to study to get the papers. Me, I don't believe in the papers, I live in the skills. And if I'm employing people personally, I don't care whether you've got first class. I don't care whether, okay, I care when you fail, but I don't care your first class. I care what you're capable of doing. What are you providing out of the first class you've got? If you told me you did C++ for a module and you got A, are you capable of writing a program in C++? Is the program scalable? So those are the things I look at. So I don't want us to rush to finish. I know the course content is so simple and small that I made it for, like I said, for beginners, but practice everything. Most of the videos, I think the longest is 14 minutes. I wanted to make most of them 6 to 8 only. I've tried my level best to make it around there. Watch that and practice for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Try and also be innovative. Like our goal is innovation. Then also, what do we expect from you? One, we expect from you commitment to finish the course. You should commit to finishing the course. You should not just enroll for the case of enrolling, because if you don't finish the course, we would have lost our goal, because our goal is empowering you, and more so for free. So you also commit to finishing it. Finish your course, gain the skill, go out there and take it. Then when you take it out there, preach the gospel, inform other people, because I'm considering like leaving this course for free for lifetime. I wanted to make something out of it, but I was like, no, I can leave it. So long as the first cohort or the first batch of these people, they do what is expected. They finish the course. I see them practical, applying their skills. And maybe when you're posting some of your work, for instance, maybe on any platform, even if TikTok, Facebook, or anywhere, consider mentioning us. Give us credit. You mention us, Ayfed Technologies, you can hashtag our handle, or you just mention. We're on every platform, at least almost all the social media platforms. We are as well on GitHub for those who are doing programming. We're on Slack, we're on Discord. That is for people into programming. But for the rest, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, X, everywhere, we are there as Ayfed Technologies. You can also support us by following all those social media pages. You can engage with our contents merely by maybe reacting or commenting to as well, push the algorithm so that they are popular, so that other people can also reach. Then we're also going to look at strategies to continue supporting. One of them is by you recommending gigs for us. If there is a job for developing a website, developing an application, databases, anything relating to tech, please recommend people to us so that we are able to also make money. And we shall continue offering this type of offers of giving free courses to people. Because if we are not able to make money again as a company, it will become very... it will be so challenging for us to run the platform. So let's briefly walk through the platform. So to access the platform, I'd already opened it, like I said, in the interest of time. So to access the platform, one of the things I'd wanted to let you know that for those who have computers, it is better optimized for PCs because the most of the courses we shall be offering are programming courses, which are very hard to be done on the phone. However, I'm going to optimize the website to the best for working on mobile devices, but the best performance is on PC. So you come on your web browser, you can click ayfedtech.com, or you can simply search. Of course, it will come up. It will bring Ayfed Technologies, something like that. Or you can simply search by the name, which is Ayfed Technologies. So when you search Ayfed Technologies, it will still load. So when it loads, you will click on the first one. Of course, there are very many others, LinkedIn, those things. So you will click on the first one. Now, when you click on the first one, it will bring you here. It will bring you on the home, which is the home page. Now, from the home page, there are very many options. Of course, you can scroll through. There is this hamburger icon. When you click on it, it will take you to courses. Here, it will also take you to courses to start learning. When you're a new student, you can click on enroll now. Of course, some of them have been dropped off of the platform because of the quality of the content. They are giving, actually, as I speak right now, we have archived all the courses which we placed here. Of course, during the trial mode, we recruited some instructors and we were assessing the quality of the content of each. Then at the moment, we have archived all the courses which are there, and now we're remaking better courses to put there. Then we have courses, we have what. So this is basically the interface of how the website looks. Now, for your case, what are you going to do? For you, when you come here, you will come to courses from the home page. When you click on courses, you will be brought to this to this page, whereby OpenShot is the first. Most of the ones which were here, like I told you, were archived for improvement. Then we shall bring them back. So this is the course you will go to. Then you will click on it. Now, when you click on it, it will automatically open because I've already I've logged in. Now, for you who might have not logged in, let me log out. Let me log out quick. So I've logged out. Now, when you come here as a new user who doesn't have account, you may come to these pages. When you come to pages, of course, there is blog, there is about us, there is contact, there is instructor registration. Like this platform is what we call a multi-market vending platform, where anybody who has any skill can market their course. For example, if you know a skill, maybe you know how to, I don't know, how should I say, you know how to do anything. Where maybe you know how to program. You have a course on web development. Much as we are developing our own course, we don't limit to only us being the only creators here. Any person can create courses on this platform, and you sell and you make your money. It is okay because we believe in empowering people, and that's why we created a platform which is there for the people. So you will come here and register as an instructor. Then here you will get list of the instructors, and here if you're a student, you can register from here as a student, or you can come to the courses. When you come to the courses, you will click on the course, which is OpenShot for beginners. So when you click on the course, it will prompt you to to log in. Now, mine is bringing like this because I already have an account here. But for your case, maybe who might have not enrolled, you will not log in. You will come to register now. When you come to register now, another window will pop up for you to fill in your details. Make sure you fill in the right details. You'll register, a notification will go to your email, you activate and come back and do what? And log in. Now, for my case, since I have my email here, I'm going to log with my user email. This is the one I log in as a user. I don't want to log in with an admin email. So I'll log in here, then maybe keep me signed in. You can check that so that you don't keep on signing every time. It's up to you. Now, it's better but to keep it checked as keep me signed in. Now, you're going to sign in. When you sign in, the course will open. Now, when the course opens, it will show you the amount of course content you have consumed already. Like now here, the progress. Like there are 33 things I'm supposed to watch or read. I have finished 3 of the 31. So I've completed the course 10%. So when I click on continue learning, it will take me to where I stopped. But that's not what I want to do right now. So like here, you can see other students who enrolled. We are now at 70. So this course is for all level of learners. Okay. Now you can come here. Here is the course info. Here is the review. Here is question and answer. Here are announcements. Whenever there is announcement, it's there. We're having 10 minutes. Okay, we are running out of time. Let me finish quick. So you can read about the course. You take time and read. Then now here is the course content. We are starting with introduction to OpenShot. So these are some of the topics we're going to cover. We shall look at intro to OpenShot, basic editing techniques, working with audio, effects and transition, advanced editing features, text and style and titles, exporting your video, and end of course. So under each topic, when you click, there are some small content or lessons. So these lessons, what you're going to do, you click on the lesson. Like this is introduction to OpenShot. You click on the lesson. When you click on the lesson, another window will pop up. So this lesson will be on the side here for you. And then here is the lesson content, which is loading. This is the video content, and here is the audio. The text content. So we can see here. Here is the content. When you click, it will start playing. So like we can see.
Hello everyone.
So
Welcome.
That is the video. Then you can watch the video after. You can either choose to read first or watch, but it's advisable when you're doing either of them, you don't do both. You cannot be reading while watching. The video. So it's advisable before you start watching the video, first read through the content of the lesson. Read this, because we are going to assess this. There are quizzes in between the course. There will be quizzes for assessment. So it's advisable you read, not only for assessment, but also for understanding. You have to understand, because like I said, some of you will just opt after finishing. When you finish watching this video, you have read here, consider dropping a comment. There is an option for comment there. Somebody has just commented there. Hello, thank you very much. I would like to submit about the clarity of the presentation. It's appearing faint and blurred. The content, okay. Is the content written isn't clear for readers like me. Okay, I think this one left a comment. There are some comments here, so always drop. I like this type of comment. These are good feedback. However, I believe the issue here is with this network, because the platform was optimized to the point that it behaves according to your network strength. I think I'm going to respond to his comment later. So he should improve on the internet strength he's having to get much more clearer video. I believe the video playing here is much clearer. Can somebody confirm this video? The one playing from the system. Can somebody confirm yes or no? Whether it's clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear.
I feel so happy and thrilled to offer this
course. Somebody confirm, please? Jeff, I can see your microphone checking. Could you confirm whether the video is clear or not?
Yes, it is. The video is clear.
Yeah, so this video depends on the strength of your network, the clarity. If you have a very strong internet, it will be full HD. If your internet is low, it will go low. So the reason as to why we did that is for it not to freeze, because sometimes it freezes, especially if you put it on full HD only. It will freeze for people whose networks are poor. So these are some of the things, and I think I'm going to address that. So basically, that is about accessing the course. Then here, this is now another page. This is where your account is. You have your profile. You can click here to start learning direct. When you click here, you'll go to the course board. Then when you click on profile, what is going to open? It will open your profile. This is my student profile. It is not my admin profile. So you need to fill in these details. You fill, registration date, your name, the emails. So here the courses you have enrolled in. If you have enrolled in very many courses, it will show all of them there. Like these are the courses I've enrolled in as a user, reviews with a lot of things. And if you are an instructor, like maybe you are a teacher also, you'll have a different interface of showing options where you're supposed to withdraw, all those options. So I believe you're going to interact with this platform to the best self. We looked at the background of Ayfed Technologies. We looked at the mission and vision. We looked at the values. We looked at the cost structure. Then we're here. So we have gone through the platform strategies to continue. One of the strategies is you recommending your fellow colleagues to as well join the course so that they get the skill. Because when we get enough manpower or force who are all equipped from the skill we have offered for free, we believe as you finish the course, you should also be able to have a gesture of goodwill in the community, because that's the sole goal we are looking at. We want to empower ourselves. So when you get a skill, empower other people. Also inform them to come. So when we get very many forces around whom we have trained and they are also contributing to the well-being of others, I think we shall make the world a better place and conducive for everyone. So I would like to stop here. And maybe another key area is the training we're offering. We shall not give you certifications, but okay, certification is optional. However, if you want certification, you'll pay just a small fee of 10,000 Ugandan shillings or $4. And why are we asking this money? To basically maintain or facilitate the running of the system of the website. However, if you're not capable of affording $4 or 10,000 Ugandan shillings, it's totally okay. You will have lifetime access to this course on the platform forever without charging you any dime. We only charge 10K or $4. That is for people who want to be certified. They want to get certificate. Like I said, our focus is you gaining the skill. So you can opt to get the certificate or you can opt to learn the resource. However, you should hold our values of spreading the gospel. But again, if you think it is good to maintain the system so that other people also get support, you can contribute that little or even give any amount you feel like. It is okay. However, we don't care whether you do it or not. So we are off to the last point, which is the question and answer session. So the platform is ours. If you have any question, please go ahead. The room is open.
Hello, it's Aziz here.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Mine was does the software have a MacBook version?
Yeah, it has a MacBook version. Didn't I include the link for the Mac on the learning system? I think it is there. Or everything is there, like installation and everything. Let me see. Let me see. Where is courses? Let me check the courses. It's there. If I've not put, I'm going to add it right now. The link to the Mac version. I remember at least I think I'd already put the one for introduction. It's under introduction here. So there is installation for OpenShot for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So like people are asking a lot of questions on the platform. Everything is here. This course is complete. We have brought everything in place. Download to install. This is installation process for Windows. Oh, I didn't put the link for the Mac. I'm going to get it, but I gave you the installation procedures here. I'll give you the official link. And then for the Linux also. For Linux, I think I placed the settings for the terminal. Any other? We are remaining with 1 minute. In case you're on the platform, we can continue with the conversation there. However,